Hero here, and I'm making a YouTube video on my cap guns. So the first one right here is a 357 Magnum, brand new. Got it yesterday. Really good. Shoots really loud too. Second gun right here, got from my friend. Not sure how old it is, but it seems pretty old. It's nice. Okay, and this one right here is I think you can see right there, you probably can't. It says like Jaru or whatever. Really good too. Then I got this one right here. This one is a cap gun that is colored. It is really, really cool and loud. Yeah, I think it's louder than all the other ones. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. Next, I have the mini one. Nice silver. Pretty good. Not that loud, but it's nice. Then I have the blue one, just like that one right there. But I have to clip in it because that orange piece that fell off right there is like it's screwed up now, so it's really hard to get the clip in and out. So yeah. Then here is the 357 Magnum again, but it's different. I got these guns at Canadian Dollar Store and Dollarama. And here is a paper gun. Paper cap gun, actually. These are really good. Except for this one barely hits. I got some other ones that go like hit every single one. 100 shot caps, pretty good. Then here's the 357 Magnum again, which I modded. Like this huge barrel and then like a grip. Then the trigger broke, you see. I just used the hammer. Now, oh shit. Now I have this other paper one. So you can see the trigger broke, but I don't assume this one as my broken gun because I can still get this one working sometimes. And clip thing again, just like the other one. But it's better. This one hits every single shot. Now, them things right here. These are 6-pack holders, cap things. You can see, pretty good. Then right here I have a thing of caps, as you can see, cap gun ammo. That's where the 6-pack things come in, and it's 240 shots actually. That's pretty nice. From Great Canadian Dollar Store. And then I have these, which is from Dollarama. It's 160 shots. Not the greatest. And then I have attachment. Oh, 1 second. Okay. Attachment is really cool. I mean, like, it's a longer barrel, but then you can take this and stick it right in there, and it makes a really good silencer. And my battery's going dead, and hopefully my camera don't shut off on me. Okay, so that back. Now here's my broken ones. You see green one, pink one, silver ones. Yeah, see right there. Same things. There. Then got my clips all here. I got like 16 clips for all my guns. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, rate, and comment. See ya.